everyone! Please introduce yourself to our new student, Cesca.
Hello everyone, my name is Cesca. I hope we can be good friends.
Hi, Cesca.
Hello, Cesca.
Hey Cesca, not to be rude or anything. What religion are you?
Yeah, you don't look like a Muslim.
Well, I'm not a Muslim, I'm a Christian.
So you eat dogs and pigs?
No! Bakit eater?
Later, during recess.
Hey, you're Cesca, right?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I eat with you here?
What? Really? Sure.
Why are you sitting alone here for lunch?
It's nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure nothing is bothering you?
Well, these guys in my class are bothering me, I guess. They're like calling me names and humiliating me in front of everyone because I'm not Muslim.
Is it those two?
Yeah, those are them. How did you know?
That's Anka and Oyu. They're always up to no good. Also, they happen to be the first people I see when I look around.
Yo!
Believe in Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Believe in Allah!
Oh my god, I have to tell the teacher about this. Oh my god!
Walks with aura.
There was, apa tuh? Cesca getting bullied. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Walks with aura.
Alright, you two, come on, yes, right now!
Masih bau Mister.
Cesca, come to my desk now! Naomi, you two.
Whoa!
Everyone quiet! I will give you all break time. Get on class now. Why were you two oinking everything to be staged making fun of Cesca?
They've been doing this the second I stepped into the school.
I can't believe you two would do such a thing. You remind me of a certain case of 2021 where a girl was forced to wear a hijab because she and her family was part of a religion. How would you feel if in that situation? Imagine yourself in their shoes.
We are not bullying, we're teasing.
We're
He
teasing.
doesn't relate to that.
Totally.
Cesca, how do you feel?
You guys don't seem like you guys want to be my friend. I see you too. You guys are just bullying me just because I'm a Christian.
So why do you and Anka feel the need to teach Cesca? Especially to the point where she feels scared to tell teachers are walking into the classroom. You see that you cause her to feel uncomfortable for being different. So affecting how she acts with fear as well.
This is a new way for introduction and this is how Why don't you go to Canisius?
It really hurts to be separated and ridiculed just because I'm a different religion than the others, you know?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Judas minta maaf. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay. As long as you guys are It's okay. It's okay. As long as you guys have learned your lesson and you won't repeat it in the future.
Maybe.
The past is the past is the past. I forgive you all. You too. Anka and all you.
Okay, problem solved. I'm gonna go break.
The end. Bullying caused due to religious intolerance causes isolation, mental distress, and breaks the bonds of unity. Intolerance harms not just the individuals, but the entire fabric of society. Discrimination based on religion does not just affect one, it divides us all. Let's embrace diversity, show empathy, and remember that respect for others' belief is key to building a peaceful and united future. Together, we can create a world of unity in diversity.
3, 2, 1.
I love Mr. Weedy.